Okay, let us start. So, my dear students, so now let us discuss these interesting points. Right. I hope it is visible to you. Right. See, the number of squares contained in K by K network are 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus K square. So don't get any confusion, that is, don't get any confusion, right, my dear students. So that is very easy. So that means it is actually now regarding this one, the number of squares contained in K by K network are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus so on K square. So that means it is actually even, it will be useful for mental ability questions also. Now, for example, see, so if you draw like this is 1 square. For example, here how many number of squares are there here? For example, you draw this figure, this is a square, right? Again, this also is squares. Now, how many number of squares are there here? So that means I will explain. Here 1, here actually see 1, 2, 1, 2. That means actually here number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. So that's why first we need to write like this. 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 into 2. Reduce 1 and reduce 1. This will be 2 square. So this will be 1 square. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. In the similar manner here, 3 into 3, 2 into 2, and 1 into 1. That means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. You will get the answer. For example, there are K rows, and K columns are there. K columns. Then number of squares in that grid is equal to, number of squares is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on dash dash K square. For example, if one question is asked in the examination, number of squares in chessboard, how many number of squares are there in chessboard? Chessboard means, that means K by K means here, that will be 8 by 8. So that means you can get 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square. So if you add all these three, you will be getting number of squares that will be approximate. Sorry, not approximate. Exactly, you get 1024. So this is the number of squares in a chessboard. Clear? So now let us move to the previous one. Next is triangular numbers. This is very important. What are the triangular numbers means? 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. I already discussed this one. So on nth triangular number is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that means, for example, 10th triangular number, 9th triangular number, even 2000 triangular number, even 1000th triangular number also we can find out with the help of this one. Right. So next, this is very important now. That is here these concepts sometimes may be useful. I will discuss in separate. Suppose 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on dash dash up to plus n. So that means the sum of the first n natural numbers denoted by sigma. The symbol is sigma n, that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula. So this is the formula. For example, you are asked like this: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on. For example, 100 times is there. Here n is equal to 100, not 100, actually it may be 100 also, 100 times. So this is equal to, we can write sigma n from 1 to 100. So this is equal to, in the place of n, substitute 100. 100 into, bracket means into 100 plus 1, 101 by 2. So 2 1 ja, 250 ja. 50 into 101, you will be getting 50 50. So that means sum of the first 100 natural numbers is equal to 50 50. Clear? Okay, Uma, welcome. Right, Varshini. So I'll give one more question now. One more important point. For example, you are asked 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square and so on, n square is there. So this is actually called sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers denoted by sigma n square. This formula is n into 2n plus 1, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. So let me write once again this formula for your better understanding. Right. See, n times n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. See, for example, if you are asked one thing, now, for example, in the previous case, the number of squares in a chessboard, number of squares in chessboard. So we calculated, now we can calculate with the help of this formula. Chessboard is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on dash dash 8 square. This means sigma n square from n is equal to 1 to here 8. In the place of n, 8 write down. 8 into 8 plus 1, 9. Now 2n, 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 1 is 17 upon 6. So you can cancel. 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja. So now 2 4 ja. That will be 12 times into 17. 17 into 12. 12 7 ja, 84. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. Sorry, the previous case I did wrong. That is actually, remember, in the previous case, wait. This is, sorry, that is 204 only, not 1024. Right, now we correct it. So that is equal to 204. 204 squares in a chessboard, you will get it. 204, not 1024. So please try to rectify it now. This one, not 1024, 204 squares in a chessboard we can find. I hope it's very clear to you. Right, one more point we shall discuss, that is also 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube and so on plus n cube. So this means that the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers, sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is sigma n cube. Sigma n cube means n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. So this can be rewritten as n times n plus 1 by 4, 2 whole square. Already we studied n into n plus 1 by 2 is sigma n. This we can write sigma n whole square. So that means this can be rewritten as the 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on dash dash n cube is equal to, we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on dash dash plus n whole square. Already in the previous class also we have discussed this concept. Right. So now already completed now? Right. Let us move to next concept. Next concept. Okay. This is also very, very important. So that we are going to discuss now. Right. Okay. I will discuss here itself only. You remember one thing. See, one thing, my dear students, a to the power of n. A to the power of n means a into a, so on. This is n times. Here in this case, a is called base. N is called exponent. Exponent. And my dear students, a to the power of n or a raised to n, this is called power. This is called power. In 8th class, we have exponents and powers, right? So, right, very good, very good, very good, very good. So that means this is the concept of a to the power of n. And moreover, one thing you remember, so a to the power of 0, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, but a does not equal to 0. This condition must be satisfied. Because 0 to the power of 0 is not defined. 0 by 0 is not defined. So even 0 to the power of 0 also not defined. That's why a does not equal to 0. Something to the power of 0 is 1. And moreover, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is there. You get a to the power of m plus n. Clear? So now a to the power of m by a to the power of n. This is a to the power of m minus n. Actually, this is called product rule. This is called quotient rule. So next, ab to the power of m. ab to the power of m means a to the power of m into b to the power of m. Next, a by b all to the power of m. That is equal to a to the power of m upon b to the power of m. And one more, a to the power of m all to the power of n. This is a to the power of mn. All these are called laws of indices or theory of indices. So based on these concepts only, now we are going to discuss radical signs. If the power is radical sign, if n is a rational number, then you will get all these concepts. Now we are going to discuss about them. I hope it's very clear to you. Okay, clear? Right. So now, right, next let's have a discussion on this one again. So my dear students, remember, suppose for example, a to the power of m into b to the power of m is there. This we can write ab all to the power of m, we can write. Suppose this root a means a to the power of 1 by 2. Root b means b to the power of 1 by 2. Suppose root a into root b is there. So same formula we can apply. This formula we can apply. This is whole root of a into b, ab we can write. For example, root 2 into root 3. What do you write? Write yourself. What do you get your answer? What is your answer? Okay, Talasingaramu. What is your answer? Root 2 into root 3 is equal to root of 2 into 3. That is root of 6. So root 5 into root 7. Can you write this value? Next, root 5 into root 3. Okay, try to write these values. Try to write these values. It's very good, very good, very good, very good. This will be root of 5 into 7, that is equal to root 35. This will be root of 5 into 3, that will be root 15. Very good, Anna. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Okay, you got an idea. Right. So now here, my dear students, see, this point is now we got an idea. Root A into root B is equal to root of AB. You can write it. Next, coming to this point, see root of A by B. Root of A by B means root A by root B. Suppose, let us confine to this example. This example, what is the example? Suppose root of 120 by 121 by 196 is there. What will be the your answer? So using this formula, this can be written as root of 121, square root of 121 by square root of 196. My dear students, remember 121 is the 11 square. So that means 11 square is 121. So 14 square is 196. That means square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 196 is 14. 11 by 14. I hope it's very clear to you. Okay. Right. Very good. 11 by 14. Araja. Very good, Nana. Very good, Araja. See, now I will give one more question to you. Root of 256 by 361. So what is your answer? So what is your answer? Try to solve it. What's your answer? Those who are watching through the YouTube also, you can chat. You can chat. What is your answer? What is your answer? Very good try. Very good try. Prudvi, JPHS, Nadargul. Very good. Very good. Rekha, Rekha. Very good. Very good. Very good. This is square root of 256 by square root of 361. My dear students, square root of 256 is 16. Square root of 361 is 19. So 16 upon 19 is correct answer. Yes, Nana. Absolutely. Harati, Bindu Madhavi, Nadargul, yes, Akshita. Oh, very good, Nana. Very good, very good, very good. Araja, wonderful job, wonderful job, wonderful job. Very good, very good. Right. So now I move to the next concept. Next concept. So what is the next concept means? Here, see, for example, this one, let us come to this point. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B. See, what do you get? Root A plus root B into root A minus root B. See, in algebra, we have one beautiful formula. A plus B into A minus B. Already in the last session, we had a discussion on this one. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So using this concept, now this can be written root A whole square minus root B whole square. Again, two questions will arise in our mind. So what is the value of root A square? Root A square means, don't get confusion, Nana. Root means half, that is A to the power of half whole square. So 2 cancel, this is A. In the similar manner, root B whole square. Root B whole square is equal to B raised to 1 by 2, and also square we have 2 gets cancelled B. So that means we get A minus B. Clear? I hope you might have got an idea. Yes or no, you need to chat. Yes. Okay. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B is equal. Simple. You can write A minus B. That means find the difference of A comma B. Here actually remember. So generally A minus B value you will be getting. Right. So now based on this, I ask some questions. You try to solve it now. Try to solve it. See, based on this one, I'll give the questions. One question. Root 5 plus root 3 multiplied with root 5 minus root 3. What is our answer? Second one. Root 7 plus root 2. So multiplied with root 7 minus root 2. Third one. Root 16 plus root 15 multiplied with root 16 minus root 15. What is your answer? So try to solve it. What's your answer? You need to give the answers. Not root 2, not root 2. Check your answers. Right, right. Check your answers. It's very good. Let us try. This will be in the form of root a plus root b into root a minus root b. So a minus b. What do you write? 5 minus 3 is 2. Clear? Right. Not 361. This is equal to 7 minus 2. So 5. This will be 16 minus 15. So 1. Okay. Clear? Very good. Very good. Very good, Arsha. Very good, Arsha. Very good. Very good. Right. So my dear students, one thing you remember. Let us come to another concept. What is the another concept? Means root a plus root b whole square. What do you get? Root a plus root b whole square means root a whole square plus 2 times root a into root b plus root b whole square. Already we know the values of root a whole square as well as root b whole square. Even we know root a into root b. Root a into root b is equal to root of ab also we can write. Root a whole square a plus this can be written 2 root of a into b ab plus root b whole square is b. This is root a plus root b whole square. In the similar lines, root a minus root b whole square is equal to, you can expect a minus 2 root ab plus b you will be getting. I hope it's very clear to you. Suppose you are asked, see, first one, root 5 plus root 3 whole square. Try to solve it. And next, root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Root 7 plus root 5 whole square. Okay, next, root 7 minus root 5 whole square. Fifth one. Right. Root 11 minus root 7 whole square. Okay. Write down your answers. Take a paper and pen. Try to calculate it. Try to calculate it. So it is not 2. It is not 2. It will be root a plus root b whole square. Root a plus root b whole square is, go to the backs. See, root a plus root b whole square is a plus b plus 2 root ab. Like that also we can write. So next page you go to the, this we can write 5 plus 3 plus 2 root of, directly also we can write 5 into 3, 15. This will be 8 plus 2 root 15. You may not actually type in our chart box. So just listen carefully. Right. This one we can write 3 plus 2 plus 2 root of 3 into 2, 6. So answer will be 5 plus 2 root 6 because 3 plus 2 is 5. In the similar pattern, this will be 7 plus 5 plus 2 root of 7 into 5 is 35. So this equals to 12 plus 2 root 35. My dear students, you don't get any confusion here. Here also you will be getting 7 plus 5 only, 7 plus 5 only. But instead of plus 2 root 35, negative you will be getting 2 root of 35. That only difference we have. So 12 minus 2 root 35. So this will be, see, 11 plus 7 minus 2 root of 11 into 7, 77. So this will be 18 minus 2 root of 77. Yes or no, you need to chart. So did you get the idea? Right. So, so better actually all of you participate in a lesson. That's very important. Right. Okay. Next, let us move to next concept. Next concept. See, let us move to next concept. This is very, very important concept. See, my dear students. For example, a plus root b into a minus root b is there. So don't get any confusion. It is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this we can write a whole square minus root b whole square. A whole square is a square minus root b square is b. For example, 4 plus root 15 into 4 minus root 15 is there. So how do you multiply these two values? Very simple. 4 square write down minus b. b means 15. So 16 minus 15, you will be getting 1. That's all. Right, Anita, Varishini, right, Pinky. Right. Very good, very good, very good, Spooty. Very good, Spooty. Rishita. Okay, Pranavi. Very good, Josna. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, let us move to next concept. Next concept. This is very important. Let me read this concept now. If the bases are equal, then the powers must be equal. So that means, for example, see, Nana, a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n. What do you observe here? Both the bases are equal. Here, bases are equal. Bases are equal. If the bases are equal, the powers must be equal. That means exponents are equated. That means m is equal to n. Suppose, example, 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 6. Here same concept, bases are equal. So therefore you can write n is equal to 6. You can write n is equal to 6. I hope this concept is clear to you. Clear, right? Right. So next, one more important point we need to discuss. We need to discuss, right? We need to discuss. Here, see. My dear students, for example, a to the power of 1 by 2 is there. You can write root 2, root a. For example, a to the power of 1 by 3 is there. You can write cube root a. This is called cube root a. Suppose a to the power of 1 by 4 is there. You can write fourth root a. So for example, a to the power of 1 by 5 is there. You can write fifth root a. Suppose a to the power of 1 by n is there. You can write nth root a. Nth root a. Nth root a. Clear? Right. One more concept. See, these nth root a concepts are very, very important also. Next. See, now let's have a discussion on this one. Okay. See, now, so let us discuss this point. Suppose this one, you consider this one, nth root of a to the power of n. What will be the value? So nth root of a to the power of n means, my dear students, remember, nth root of something x means x to the power of 1 upon n or 1 by n. Okay, what, Arsha? Okay, right. This is equal to, you can write a to the power of n whole to the power of 1 by n. N gets cancelled. At n gets cancelled. So we have n gets cancelled. We have a. Suppose, for example, here nth root of a to the power of m is there. How do you write? Very simple. A to the power of m whole to the power of 1 by n. So multiply these two. Then what do we get? A to the power of m upon n. A to the power of m upon n. Right? So next concept. Here nth root a multiplied with nth root b is there. What do you write? This is nth root of AB. Just like root A into root B is equal to root of AB. Even nth root A into nth root B also nth root of AB. Similarly, for example, nth root of A by nth root of A. This can be written as a whole nth root of B. This is nth root of A by B you can write. So this is very interesting. Mth root of and nth root of A. This means mnth root of A. Okay, right? This leaves now. It's not required. This scientific notation is very, very important now. So based on scientific notation, definitely one question will appear in the examination. Definitely one question will appear in the NMMS examination. Scientific notation is very, very important. Very, very important. Definitely one question will appear in NMMS examination. See, in a scientific notation, as a product of two factors, one factor lies between 1 to 10. Second factor is the power of n. That means what is the scientific notation? Scientific notation is consisting of two factors. Two factors. Two factors. Here one factor will be a number. A number. Other factor will be power of 10. That will be in the form of 10 to the power of n. So a number means, for example, say number x. This x lies between 1 and 10. Between 1 and 10. That means 1 less than x, x less than 10. That means scientific notation you can write like this, x into 10 to the power of n form. This is called scientific notation. Expressing a number in a scientific notation means x times 10 to the power of n, where x is lies between 1 to 10. That means a single digit number. That means that x is single digit. X is single digit. Single digit means what are the single digits? Possible digits? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. 9 only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even decimal points also you can take it, no problem. But that must be single digit. Must be single digit means, for example, any decimal number is there. In a decimal number, sometimes decimal number also you need to write expression scientific notation. Decimal number contains integral part and fractional part. So now in the integral part, only one digit should be there. There is actually one digit number. One digit number you need to consider. One digit number only. One digit number means either 2 or 3 or 4, even 4.5 also you can write it. 4.5 also unit digit number only. That is x times 10 to the power of 10 form. See, for the first factor, move the decimal point to the left as many as places it takes to get number of between 1 and 10. Next, use the number of places moved as the power of 10 in the second factor. For example, see here one example. The distance between the earth and the sun is 149600. We cannot read also, but we can express in scientific notation. Let me explain scientific notation. How to express this one as a scientific notation. This number. I will come to this number. This is nothing but distance between earth to the sun. This is the distance. So how to express means, first you write down like this. 1496 into how many zeros count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power of 8 write down. But it is not a scientific notation. It is not a scientific notation. It is not in scientific notation. It is not in scientific notation. Scientific notation. But how to express this one as a scientific notation? So this must be single digit we need to explain. Single digit means we need to make it as 1 point something. 1 point something means, see, 1496 can be written as 1.496 into 1000, you can write it, 3 zeros. So if you multiply 1000 zeros, what do you get now? 1496, 3 zeros. After 3 zeros, you put a point that is equal to 1496 only. Again, now you see this can be written 1.496 into 10 to the power of 3, you can write it. Now replace here 1.496 into 10 cube into 10 to the power of 8. So these two are in the form of a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So what do you write? A to the power of m plus n. So this equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 8, 11. So this is the scientific notation. This will be the scientific notation. Clear? This is easy to read. This is easy to read. 1.496 into 10 to the power of 1 meters is the distance between from sun to the earth. Sun to the earth. It may not be some approximately. Generally, astronomical units actually different, but in meters, if you want to express meters, we cannot read also. In order to read for our convenience, we need to express into the scientific notation. Right. Right. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Right. Okay. Next, let us move to the problems now. Right. Okay, let us move to the problems. First problem. Right. So are you there, all of you? Just now tell me, what's your answer? The degree of the polynomial, I will write here. The degree of the polynomial, 3x to the power of 7 plus 5x to the power of 6 minus 2x to the power of 5 plus 10x square. So the degree of this polynomial we need to find out. What is the degree? You need to chart. You need to chart. Very good, very good. Because actually here we have 7, 6, 5 x square. Sorry, 2. 7, 6, 5, 2. Highest is 7. So degree is equal to 7. Its degree is 7. So that means B is the right option. B is the right option. I hope this is very clear to you. Yes or no? Right. Okay. So let us move to next concept. Right. Right. Okay. See, this question is 2x minus 2 times of x minus 1 by 2. So this equals to, what is your answer? What is your answer? You try yourself. Siva Ganesh, Bhuvana, Josna, Nadargul, ZPHS Nadargul, Rutvika Reddy. Right. Right. Very good. Let us try. Very good. 2x minus 2 into x minus 2x. See, minus into minus plus. That will be 2 into 1 by 2. So 2x cancels. What we have? 2 1 ja 2. This will be 0 plus 1. So that is equal to 1. Now tell me what's your answer now? You check your answers. Not C. Yes. Not C. Yes. This. Yes. D is the right answer. D is the right answer. Right. So let us move to at another question. Right. Let us discuss some important questions. I'll skip some questions also. Right. First read this question. See, A is equal to S square and A is equal to 324 centimeters square, what is the value of S? That means actually given S square is equal to A, where A is 324. Now we need S. S is equal to square root of 324. What is the square root of 324? What is our answer? What is the square root of 324? What about those who are watching through the live stream? You need to respond. What is your answer? What is your answer? Very good. 18, 18. Mukkal. Mukkal. Yes. Very good, Nana. Very good, Nana. Very good. Very good. Very good. Absolutely correct, Nana. 18. Wonderful job. C is the right answer. Yes. Not 17. 17 square is 289. Okay, let us move to the next question. Right. Try to solve this question now. This is also very easy question. You can try yourself. See, if 3 times 4m plus 5 minus 4 times 3 minus 2m is equal to 13. Solve this equation. Solve this equation. That means m value find out. Yes, Tamiridi. Change your actually here titles, your names also, so that I can say. Arsha, change first your name. See the solution. Using distributive property, we can simplify 3 into 4m. 3 into 4m, that will be 12m. 3 into 5 plus 15. And minus 4 into 3, again minus 4 into minus 2m. This will be minus 12, minus into minus plus 8m equals to 13. Am I correct? Right. Definitely, definitely. 12m, 8m are the similar terms. Like terms, they can add. 12m plus 8m is 20m. Even 15 minus 12 also, like terms, 15 minus 12 is 3 plus 3 equal to 30. Now 20m is equal to 13 minus 3. So transpose plus 3 this side, you get negative. That will be 10. We need m value. M is equal to 20m is equal to 10. M is equal to 10 by 20. 10 by 20 is equal to what is our answer? At least now you can simplify. At least now you can simplify. Very good, Nana. Tejasri. Srinicha. Jahir. Very good. MD Jahir. Very good. Very good. Haripriya. Srivalli. Janu. Mukhe. Akshita. Right. Hemasri. Aradhya. Okay. Janu. Renusri. 10 1 ja, 10 2 ja. So 1 upon 2 is the right answer, or 1 by 2. So A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Yes, 1 by 2. Very good, Arsha. Good job. Right. So let us move to yet another question. Yet another question. Yet another question. Right. Right. So let us try this question. Don't worry, I will rewrite once again the question. See, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, then x to the power of x upon y multiplied with y to the power of x upon y equals to how much? This is the question. This is the question. Very good, Varshini, Pinky. Right. Wonderful. Wonderful job. Okay. Prithvika Reddy. Good try. Good try. Good try. See. So now this can be written as like this now. How do you write for our convenience? Xy to the power of x upon y we can write. Substitute here. X means 2, Y means 4. And also X means 2, Y means 4. See, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja 8. This is 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 1 upon 2. Again, my dear students, 8 is equal to, we can write 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. This is 2 cube. We can write this form. Now 2 cube all to the power of 1 upon 2. Now 3 multiplied with 1 upon 2. This is 2 to the power of 3 by 2. This is the answer. This is the answer. So you can check your answers. You can check your answers. Yes, Nana, D is the right answer. Yes, D is the absolutely correct. D is the right answer. This is 2 to the power of 3 by 2. Right now, let's have one more question now. Right. So very interesting question we have to do. Right. Interesting question. Let us see. Some logic also there in this question. Okay. Try to understand. Don't worry. I will rewrite the question once again. I will rewrite the question. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then the value of root over x to the power of A, this is into actually x to the power of B into x to the power of C, is equal to, what is our answer? What is our answer? Yes, Arsha, that's one time is enough. Actually type. Okay, right. See, one thing first separately let us do, my dear students. X to the power of A into x to the power of B into x to the power of C is equal to x to the power of A plus B plus C, you can write. Very interesting. A plus B plus C is equal to how much given? 0 given. So instead of A plus B plus C, put 0. X raised to 0. 1. So our answer is root of 1. Tell me what is your answer? Root of 1. What is your answer? What is your answer? Very good, Anna. Root of 1 is 1. So B is the right answer. B is the right answer. So did you get the idea? Okay, let us move to now 11th one. Now let us try this question now. Let us try this question. Okay, see this question. Let me write this question once again. If 3 power x is equal to 65, 61, then 3 to the power of x minus 3 equals to how much this value? This is the 11th question. Okay. What is your answer? What is your answer? What is your answer? Okay, very good try. Very good try. Very good try. Right. Right. See, Nana, one thing. Solution, you see. This 3 to the power of x minus 3. See, we know the formula. A to the power of m minus n is equal to, you can write a to the power of m by a to the power of n, you can write. So this we can write 3 to the power of x by 3 cube. So my dear students, 3 power x already given. That is 65, 61. 3 cube means we can write 3 into 3 into 3. We need to simplify. Then you will get the answer. See, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja 6. 3 1 ja 2. 3 7 ja. Clear? 651. Sorry, this is, I did a mistake here. I did mistake. Not this is 65, 61. Wait. I will write 65, 61 upon 3 into 3 into 3. See, first 3, 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja. Next, what do you write? 26, 3 8 ja. 3 7 ja. Next 3 7 ja. 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja. Next 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 3 3 ja. So this will be 243 is the right answer. 243. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. That means 65, 61 is divided by the 27. Then you get 243 only. So our answer is this one. B is the right answer. Dikonda Sivamari, Lavanya. Very good. Harita also. Okay. Now let us move to one more interesting question. Right. Let us try to solve this question now. Okay. Now it's visible, I think so. Otherwise, once again, I will write also question. This question is 5 raised to 0 plus 6 raised to 0 multiplied with 2 raised to 0 minus 7 raised to 0. What is your answer? What is your answer? Venkanna. Yes, Nana. Yes. Actually, see, my dear students, all of you, 2 power 0 is also 1. 6 power 0 also 1. 5 power 0 also 1. 7 power 0 also 1. That means x to the power of 0 is 1. This is the formula we have. Okay. So that's why this we can write 5 raised to 0 is 1 plus 6 to the power of 0 is 1 multiplied with 2 raised to 0 is 1 minus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So D is the right option. D is the right option. Yes, Jahir. Oh, very good. Spurti. Right. Sanja, Josna. Right. Very good, Nana. Wonderful job. Yes, Surya Pinky. Suhas Kumar. Right, Harsha. Very good. One is the right answer. Right, absolutely correct. Okay, last problem of the day. Okay, after that I close the session. 13th problem. Right. So let us do this problem now. Right. See, my dear student, this problem. What is the problem means? Solution here. A minus 1 multiplied with here a square minus 2a plus 1. Right. First option is a minus 1 whole square. Second option is a minus 1 whole square. Third option a square minus 1. D1. So don't get, my dear students, a minus 1 whole square. Let us try. A minus 1 whole square is a square minus 2 into a, 2a into 1, 2a plus 1 square is 1. That means this we can write as like this. Already a minus 1 is there multiplied with a minus 1 whole square. So now a minus 1 basis here power 1. We can write a minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, 3. So a minus 1 whole cube. A minus 1 whole cube. So right, thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you. So we shall continue in the next session. Right.